Bitcoin just flipped above this descending trend line and now facing a daily resistance zone, as I was talking about this in my previous video. Does that mean we're bullish again, or there's still a chance for us to see a lower price on Bitcoin and our favorite altcoins? Let's discuss about all the possible scenarios in the upcoming days. So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not financial advice like always. Please watch this video till the end. And of course, in this video, we're gonna discuss about Bitcoin, what is going on with Bitcoin, and of course Ethereum. So I just want to start by going on a daily time frame. I mean, right now we just broke this descending trend line on the 4-hour time frame, and the Bitcoin price increased around, let's just say 7%, 7 to 8%. So does that mean we're bullish or not? Because on the daily time frame, this is everything what I see. And let's just start like step by step. Let's just start with the daily time frame. Right now, as if you remember my previous video, this is the place where the price is respected the most. This is a simple support and resistance strategy together with the trend lines. So right now, this is the place where the price was respected the most, and we are rejecting a little of rejection at this zone. But for me to be bullish again, for us to see, I don't know, a movement to the upside, I would like to see a clean breakout and close above this resistance. Let me just be more clear and let's just apply. All right, the red one. This is our resistance. Of course, Bitcoin broke this important key level as well, because this is where the price was respected the most and filled the whole gap of this impulsive movement. All right, so I want to see a clean breakout and close above this resistance zone, and that would be perfect to see double check, so that could be our support all over again. Then to see movement to the upside, of course, this is our previous swing high, and if we're gonna beat this swing high, we're gonna break the whole structure, and then a movement to the upside till the all-time highs. It is a possible scenario. Of course, on a daily time frame, let's just see what let's just take a look what I see. Of course, the money flow looks like it tries to to flip to the upside, but also right now not that accurate, but I know it's curving to the downside. We'll see. Maybe we're gonna see a rejection again, but let's just go on the 4-hour time frame. Of course, this is not confirmed. You know that I like trend lines. 1, 2, let's just say 3 multiple touches. Boom. The fourth one was a breakout this level. All right, and right now I see, of course, I don't like this type of, let's just say it's a falling knife pattern, but right now I see that would be a perfect scenario if I hold on, if I could connect these two together with the wicks, because the volatility and stuff. Why is it not working? All right, let's just try to connect this trend line to get on me. All right, not that accurate, but whatever. If we're gonna reject, let's just take this ascending trend line with some few touches as our guidance, or whatever you can call it, however you want, but the pullback and retest, that would be a perfect scenario. But of course, let's just take a look at this ascending trend line as our, I don't know, as a North Star, and let's just keep an eye on this. If we're gonna break to the downside, yeah, the movement to the downside, it is a possible scenario. Of course, let's just take a look. Let's just take a look. If this is our right now, if this is our swing high, let's just, Bitcoin right now is at the current moment is inside this golden zone. Of course, a retest of this discounted zone would be perfect, but I mean right now we're rejecting from this golden zone. Still taking my keeping my eyes on this ascending trend line, because this is crypto. For me, trend lines and simple support and resistance works the best. So yeah, that would be a perfect scenario for us to be bullish again. I mean, boom, broke this golden zone. Of course, everything is possible. If you're like trying to short from the golden zone, there's like 100%, there's no such thing as 100% guarantee that we're gonna move to the downside. So just levels that we have to keep our eyes on. So the movement to the upside, it is a possible scenario. And keep an eye on this ascending trend line, because this is a buying pressure. So if we're gonna break to the downside, yeah, a movement, that would be a, yeah, brutal but possible scenario. But of course, on the daily time frame, one moment, I'm just gonna quickly remove this. On the weekly time frame, look at this. I'm just gonna quickly delete all of my trend lines. Boom, boom. This is also where the price was respected the most. 1, 2, 3, ascending trend line on the weekly time frame. Beautifully works as like a support in this case. Look how strongly we accumulated at this level. This is powerful. But of course, the retest of this ascending trend line, it is a possible scenario to get a retest everything. But I mean, I'm gonna accumulate. Of course, I'm not gonna accumulate more Bitcoin. I'm accumulating more Ethereum and altcoins. So if we're gonna see more movement to the downside, I'm accumulating more. Of course, I accumulated some Ethereum, but I wasn't doing that hard enough. I mean, not that few times I was accumulated Ethereum, but if we're gonna see movement to the downside, even through here, if we're gonna break down this ascending trend line, I'm gonna accumulate as well, because, well, if you remember my previous tweet, I was preparing for all the possible scenarios, and of course I'm preparing some money to accumulate more, like, I don't know, you know what I mean, that I prepare for every possible scenario. All right, so the Bitcoin, let's just where's my, so to see 20% movement to the downside, of course it is a possible scenario. So, but still, I'm keeping my eye on all those trend lines. If the price is gonna do this, I'm gonna accumulate more. If the price is gonna break through those, I don't know, descending trend lines, or we're gonna beat that resistance, I'm gonna start longing or whatever. So on the 4-hour time frame, it looks that, let me just quickly redraw everything again. Beautiful breakout. Boom, together with the wicks. Well, whatever, not that accurate, but you'll get me. Boom, breakout. So, yeah, our goal is to break and flip above this resistance zone. Boom. And keep my eyes on this trend line. That would be accurate. So the trend line will have like the third touch. So that would be perfect. So we'll see. Keep an eye on this setup. All right, on the other hand, let's just take a look what is up with Ethereum. Ethereum, like I mentioned here, let's go on the daily time frame as well. Ethereum, like I mentioned in my previous video, looks more cleaner. I mean, look how beautifully price is respected here. I mean, I'm just gonna quickly the red one, this is our resistance, previous support. This is where the price was respected the most. So if you want to be bullish again, you have to flip above this resistance zone and retest this descending trend line where the selling pressure is the most, I don't know, highest. All right, on the 4-hour time frame, of course the money flow is tries to go to the downside, but we're bottoming. I see that we are bottoming, that, so according to my indicator. So yeah, the retest and everything, the movement to the upside, it is a possible scenario. What else do I see? What else? Of course, as well, this uptrend trend line, or ascending trend line, you can call it however you want. I don't really care right now. Boom. I mean, I'm just drawing trend lines. I don't want to say randomly, but I'm still trying to connect all the dots, because the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. But yeah, at this point, if this is our swing high and this is our low, all right, we didn't touch this golden zone, but yeah, maybe we'll get there. Or if this is our swing high, I can identify that this is our swing high and this is our swing low. So maybe we can go from here, but if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, let's just start from here. Still accurate, because this is where the price was respected the most. Just keep repeating the same thing. So yeah, the movement to the downside, retest, and go together with the trend. The trend is your friend, so we'll see how it plays out. But of course, if we're gonna break this, I mean, a lot of people talking on social media, this is some kind of falling wedge pattern. Not falling wedge pattern, rising wedge, or a bear flag. Well, so yeah, the price is inside this ascending, let's just say, range. So you can trade inside the range till it breaks to, I don't know, to the downside. Yeah, that's pretty much with Ethereum. Keep an eye on these levels. Keep an eye on this ascending trend line that will act like a support. I believe so. Let's just get back with Bitcoin. The only also when you remember, if you remember, we talked about that pattern that we're trying to compare the previous crash, the COVID crash, and this one, the Black Swan events. Still, also, this is valid. Boom. This is where the price was respected the most, and this descending, or this like descending support is, let me be more accurate, is still valid in my point. So everything, if we're gonna see a bigger movement to the downside, I'm accumulating more. I mean, this is my level. I'm gonna accumulate more, and of course I'm gonna leave a small amount of my fiat or like cash to accumulate more if we're gonna see movement to the downside. No, we don't know that. We don't know that. Do you know that? We don't know how hard we can fall. You don't, and I don't know how far we can go. I mean, to the upside. No one knows that. Everything is like all the probabilities, no predictions. So I have to be prepared for everything. So yeah, this is just a simple technical analysis. Of course, let's just jump on gold. What is up with gold? 4-hour time frame. Right now, boom. Right now on the 4-hour time frame, I was like doing this technical analysis. So the golden zone is working as a resistance right now, but because I got stopped out in the previous one, so of course, and this on the daily time frame, this descending trend line is respected and connected. I mean, the more tests we have, the more confirmation we have. I would love to wait for this discounted zone for me to open a short sell position. So everything is possible. I mean, gold can basically, according to the whole situation in the world, maybe people are accumulating and buying more gold. So gold price could be skyrocketing, will be shredded to the upside. Who knows? Probabilities, no prediction. So yeah, Ethereum is inside this range. Keep an eye. Massive resistance that we have to beat. The money flow tries to, I know, move to the upside, but of course it's curving because we see this rejection. So the money flow is like doing this live. And of course, everything is inside this range. Trade inside this range if you want to, until break, boom, movement to the downside. So yeah. Oh, again, Bitcoin. Where's my, all right, Bitcoin. Also, I would love to see, but you see, Ethereum, if we're gonna compare those two, I mean, Ethereum is like far away from its resistance where the price was respected the most. So, and Bitcoin right now is at that level. Of course, a small fake out, but whatever. Also a movement to the downside like a fake out, but this is where the price was respected the most. All right, volatility, whatever. So Bitcoin, I would love to see that we flip above. This is our mission. This is our goal, to flip above this resistance. All right, screw this trend line right now, whatever. And then movement to the upside, break this whole structure of like lower highs, and then movement to the upside. That would be a wonderful scenario, but anything could possible. My next video would be at around, I don't know, I'll try to do at Sunday, but probably I'm gonna do on Monday. So subscribe, like, don't miss out, because right now I pack my bags and I'm moving to a different country, so I have to, I don't know, to take my time off, and like, you know, the whole setup and everything to start doing YouTube videos. But comment down below, maybe you want to see more lives. I would love to do more live videos, because everything, when you're doing everything live, it's like more accurate, and we can like discuss, we can take a look on our chat, and yeah, to see you guys your opinion. So comment down below your opinion. What is your opinion? What we'll see on Bitcoin in the upcoming days? I mean, on even this weekend, because yeah, you know, this market 24/7. So anything could happen also during the weekend. So comment down below what you are buying. Comment down below if you're accumulating more, what type of token, what type of coin. I would love to see that. I would love to see I would love to add on my watch list and try to analyze together with you during the live videos probably. So yeah, growing, trying to grow on YouTube. Thank you for your support. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Don't be greedy, stay safe, always use your stop losses, and bye bye.